description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that's came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is 3 Mien beef instant noodle soup. It's a cup. And yeah, made in Vietnam. Let's do her up. It's a cup. It's a cuppity cup. It's still early. Whoa. I don't want to put that in there. It does come with a folding fork. Triple timed. Got powder base. Got veg. Kinda. And we have this, and it's like, there we go. The seasoned oil, not a lot of it, and it doesn't seem to be too forgiving when it comes to, yeah. Nothing wrong with the sachet, but it kind of seems like a good luck getting it out of here kind of endeavor. Come on. I have things to tell you about. I wish to do so. Well, that's about as far as I can get, and there isn't a lot in there. Interesting. I think the chicken one was a little more giving, but you know. Alright. So this goes for 3 minutes, standard instant cup. Whoa, baby. A little more. A little more. There. So there is our noodle. Let's dry off slightly. Oh yeah, I gotta show you the thing. So we have a thing, you probably have it in your neighborhood too. It's called Buy Nothing. And Buy Nothing is like people have stuff that they don't need, they don't want, but somebody else might. And sometimes it's like, let's do a thing where you say, hey, I want it. Well, it was a thing that I said, hey, I want it, and it was okay for all you people who want it. You got to pick a number between 1 and 30. I picked 6. The person who won picked 7. They won. They didn't respond in over 24 hours. A lady contacted me, said, you want it? I'm like, yeah, I still want it. Said I couldn't get it until Thursday. It was Monday? No. Anyway. And she said, oh, I'll just bring it over. So she did. And right when she handed it off to me at the door, she said, I just got a message from this guy. Just got it. Saying, yeah, I'll take it. But it was too late. She like literally had come to the door, and like a minute earlier the guy responded. So I ended up lucking out with this big freaking thing. Look at that. It's a monster, I swear. No, like really, it's a it's a monster. It was brand new in the box. It was an open box, but it was from a Fred Meyer apparently. And originally it was like 180 bucks, and it's rather large, I will say that. But originally 180 bucks, was marked down to like 90, it looks like, and at least that's what I get off the box. And yeah, pretty cool, huh? Flashing lights and all that jazz. I don't know that it's going to replace the setup I have here because, I mean, it works fine, but the other one is significantly smaller, and I think I will stick with that. So, but for today, we'll have neat flashing lights. I really don't need this thing, but I mean, how can you pass up possibly getting something cool like this? So. Oh, neat. Neat, 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 neat. But yeah, what I usually use, now it's off, is come on. This thing. I mean, it's so much smaller. And it does the exact same thing. So it's like, yeah, I'll just keep using that. But it's neat. I was thinking maybe that thing will pair nicely with the projector I have and be a little quicker than the other stereo paired speakers I've got. But I don't know. We'll see. But here, let's get up close and personal with this stuff. Ooh, and it's hot. So I wanted to also say, yesterday it was announced that Ozzy Osbourne passed at the age of 76. R.I.P. Ozzy. But hey, no more tears, right? And I guess he has closed his eyes forever. So, yeah. It's good. I mean, it could use a little something more. I wish it were a little something more. I'll go with this one. Alright. It's okay. It's nothing to write home about. I gotta say, I think I liked the chicken version better. Chinese sausage. A little marinated egg. These are not as dark as I remember them being, and that kind of bums me out. But for $7 for heirloom eggs, that's pretty good. They can be really expensive. The ones I really like to use are like $12, $13 a dozen. And they have like the nicest, reddest. Oh, they're beauties. I really like those. Fun to work with. See, most people look at food, I think, as, oh, let's make something that's tasty. You know, I want to make something tasty overall. For me, a lot of it is like picking art. It's like they're art supplies. You know what I mean? It's kind of a weird deal. Some people have gotten really cranky about that in the past. Like, you're wasting food. You're throwing it away. You're not eating all of it. You should do it at a homeless shelter. It's like, come on. I spend more time with this stuff than most would. it for that one today. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is a Korean variety for the U.S. market. This is not otogi. This is otoki. And this is Jin Ramen Spicy. It used to be Jin Ramen Hot. I think. Is it mild and hot? Maybe it was mild and spicy. But, yeah, pretty cool. And, yeah, I guess that's it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.